Welcome to this session on Etsy SEO Secrets for Explosive Sales. Today we're diving into some ultra-specific strategies that literally can skyrocket your Etsy profits.
Awesome. I'm excited to hear how these secrets really work. So, what's the first trick some sellers need to know?
The first key move is to use Etsy's search suggestion tool to find ultra-specific keywords like handmade 2025
Yeah,
journal. It really narrows down your niche.
that makes sense. Using tools to pinpoint those ultra specific phrases, right?
Exactly. And then you've got this gem of strategy, analyzing competitor tags using Marmalade's free mode. You target keywords with under 500 searches, really low
Mm-hmm.
competition.
Low competition is definitely a win. But what about getting your listings to actually stand out?
Oh, that's where adding a quirky adjective comes in handy, like quirky 2025 planner. It's like giving your title a personality boost so the algorithm takes notice.
Interesting. So it's kind of like, sprinkling magic dust on your titles.
Yeah, exactly. And then when it comes to descriptions, you can secretly optimize them by burying a power keyword like exclusive craft kit in the third
Right.
sentence. Hidden in plain sight works wonders with search bots.
I love that idea. What about utilizing tags?
Oh, for tags, you must use all 13 available, blending broad terms like art with ultra specific ones such as 2025 watercolor set.
Yeah.
It's all about balancing the general with the niche.
And to really amp up your visuals?
You got it. Test your thumbnail colors with Canva's free A/B tool. If you match Etsy's trending hues like teal, you'll boost your click-through rates.
Mm-hmm. That's a smart creative touch. Any seasonal tips?
Absolutely. Pre-tag fall 2025 decor back in August so you lock in early seasonal traffic. It's a neat hack, though I sometimes wonder if the timing might vary by
Right.
niche.
Speaking of niches, what about leveraging reviews?
Oh, that's clever too. Encouraging buyers to drop keywords like unique gift in their reviews through a subtle note. It works like social proof for SEO.
That's fascinating. Now, I noticed a lot of back end tricks mentioned.
Certainly, one trick is loading Etsy's attributes with niche phrases like eco-friendly 2025 craft. Although invisible to buyers, it's searchable by the bots.
Yeah. And keeping on top of trends, do you use external tools?
Yes, definitely. Google Trends with Etsy filters tells you what's on the rise, like sustainable jewelry 2025. It's like stacking keywords strategically, handmade plus 2025 plus gift in all sections gives you layered boosts.
That stacking method sounds like a powerful multiplier. But isn't there a risk of keywords competing with one another?
Good point. To reduce keyword cannibalization, vary the focus between listings, keeping vintage art on one and vintage decor 2025 on another works really well.
Mm-hmm. And I imagine social SEO hacks play a role too.
Absolutely. Share your listings on niche Pinterest boards using exact keyword phrases. It drives those targeted clicks. Plus, testing SEO changes is risk-free if you duplicate a listing and compare views after 48 hours.
Yeah, that's a robust strategy. What about keeping older listings fresh?
Updating old listings with 2025 edition tags refreshes their relevance, and even optimizing for mobile is essential. Shorten titles to around 50 characters to fit screens snugly.
That mobile tweak is super relevant these days. Anything else final?
One more cool trick. Add a keyword-rich infographic as your second image to boost the crawl depth, and use dashboards like Celery's to monitor performance daily. Then, reinvest ad earnings into low-competition keyword campaigns and even blend SEO with ads. A little $5 a day can amplify organic reach.
Mm-hmm. Wow, that's a comprehensive playbook. And I guess a final note is to, pair your top keywords with a compelling buyer persona story, right?
Exactly. That narrative-driven content really clinches it. In short, these layered Etsy SEO strategies, from pinpointing niche keywords to leveraging trends and visual hacks, can undoubtedly explode your sales.
Yeah. Thanks for breaking it all down. I'm definitely going to try incorporating these tips into my shop.
For sure, the key is staying creative and always on the lookout for emerging trends. Catch you next time on more savvy selling tips.